Hear it? Go my garage. I'm back with another little small video. So when I had to pick up me something new to play with. So when I picked up this little race more, you know what I'm saying? A little 12 horsepower in it. I just got it home a little earlier. I haven't had a chance to do anything with it yet. But it runs and drives. It's just a little short video on it 'cause I just got it to the house. It's got wheelie bars on it. I think it's pretty slick. Pretty slick. I paid $400 for this, man. So it's just a little quick video on it. I ain't trying to do too much. Yeah, I know I don't show too much. It's got reverse. It's got these big old wide tires on the back. Oh yeah. The thing's sweet, man. That's the sweetest race more I've seen. That stance is so nasty. But it's late. I'm gonna bring that mug out tomorrow, man. And it's running. 400. All I had to do is hook up the throttle cable. That's it. Brakes and everything. So tomorrow, y'all stay tuned. Bring this thing out. Go my route.